Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，我是 Joseph Ling。And Alice, 你有没有常常上网 Do you go online a lot?
有啊，看新的。
看新的看什么？看新闻？
看 email。
看 email 啊？那新的是什么？
新的啊，就是信箱啊。
信箱信。Okay, so you go on and get emails, from friends and family, of course. 但是现在又流行一个东西，我们要看 Alice 到底是不是跟得上流行。
哎呦，
听过部落格吗？
当然有哦。
有啊，我还会考到你嘞。这是 blog, okay? It actually came from English. In Chinese, it's called 部落格，which is a weblog, blog. 那这个客家话怎么说？
部落格。
部落格其实这是外来语嘛，所以其实它就是
你还张有给了头拜毛啊？
部落格 ，OK。
部落格。
Okay. Again, that's just a direct translation from blog, basically. But one of the reasons why I want to talk about this, because recently there's a statistic out, quite interesting figures on how many blogs are out there currently on the World Wide Web. Currently, they say there's about 70 million different blogs online right now. 听说现在全球总共有7000万个部落格哦。你自己有吗？没有哈，还没有哈，我有待会再跟大家讲。And then it increases on a daily basis of about 120,000 each day, so it's getting more and more popular. And guess what? The number one language for blogs is 你知道第一名的这个部落格的语言是什么吗？日文So Japan, or I should say the language Japanese, is the number one blog online right now. Number two would be English, 英文。Okay, and at number 3 is actually Chinese.
中
文是第3名，其实也不错。
前3名啊。
对。Now, the Hakka Affairs has their own blog here in Taiwan. You can log on to youth.ihakka.net for more information. 其实我们的客委会呢自己也有客家的部落格嘛，可以上那个网站看看。然后呢，重点就在这里了，我自己的部落格呢就在这个客家部落格这边。
嘿哦，
可以去看看哦。
可以有相片吗？
相片嘛，对不对？
我做散夫给嘿。
有。我到时候再把 Alice 的相片呢也贴上去好了。
多多讲哦。
Yes, again, that's youth.ihakka.net. Well, that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张伟聊。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.